Welcome all of you to my another video. In this video I am going to solve those short questions. Those who are going to appear in October, November 2024 and 2025, for them it will be very useful. So before starting, please I am requesting you all of you, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Root AB can write root A multiply root B. A by B whole root can write root A by root B. For rationalize denominator, suppose if you having a 1 by root 2, so those kind of the questions we have to multiply by denominator and divide by the denominator number. So that means we'll get the root 2 by 2. Sometimes you will get in fraction in a plus root b or a minus root b. If you having a plus root b, so you have to multiply a minus root b and divide a minus b, such as 1 by 2 minus root 3. So here minus are there, so you have to multiply the plus sign. So 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 3. Why we are doing? Because we know the a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So we can write the a square minus b square form. So up 2 plus root 3 by 2 times 2 4 and root 3 multiply root 3 is 3. So the answer is 2 plus root 3. So let's start. First question root 12. So try to split in root 12. One number should be a square root number like 4, 9, 16, 25 like that. So if can we write 4 times 3, because 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 is a square number. So the answer is 2 root 3. Question 2, root 20 by 2. So root 20 write 4 times 5 by 2. So root 4 is 2 and root 5 divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. The answer is root 5. 5 root 6 minus 2 root 24 plus 2 94. 24 try to write in root 6 multiple of 6, and another number should be the square number. So 24 we can write 6 into 4 and 294 can write 6 multiply 49. So write 5 root 6 minus 2 6 into 4 plus 6 into 49. So 5 root 6 minus root 4 2, so 2 times 2 4, 4 root 6 and plus 7 root 6. So root 6 is a common, so 5 plus minus 4 is 1, 1 plus 7 equal 8. So 8 root 6. Or 5 root 6 minus 4 root 6 is root 6, and root 6 plus 7 root 6 equal to 8 root 6. Question 4, 2 minus root 3 multiply 2 plus root 3. So multiply 2 times 5, 10 plus 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 and minus 3 root 3 root 3 3. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7, and 2 minus 5 minus 3. So minus 3 root 3. Question 5, root 20 plus root 80. So root 24 into 5 plus 80 can write 16 into 5. So 2 root 5 and plus 4 root 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 root 5. Question 6, root 44 by root 11. So this one, root a by b is root a by root b. So root 44 by 11, 11 times 4, 44. So root 4 is 2. Question 7, root 12 plus 3 root 48 plus root 75. So root 12, 4 times 3 plus 3, 48, 16 times 3 plus 25 times 3. So 2 root 3 plus 4 times 3, 12. 12 root 3 plus 5 root 3. So 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19. 19 root 3. Or you can take 3 root 3 common, so 2 plus 12 plus 5 equal to 19. Next question, root 3 multiply 2 plus root 3. So multiply 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3. That's it. Question 9, 2 minus root 2, 2 plus root 5. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 and minus root 10. 5 times 2, 10. Is it possible to make any simplest form? 6 2 root 5. No, that is answer. Question 10. 4 plus root 3 multiply 2 minus root 3. 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 4 root 3 and plus 2 root 3 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 root 3. Show that 12 by 3 can be rewritten as 4 by 3. So 12 by root 3 multiply by root 3 and root 3. So here we'll get 12 by root 3 by 3. 3 times 4, 12 is 4 root 3. It's proved. Question 12. Show that 12 minus root 3 whole square equal to 3. So 4 into 3, so 2 root 3 minus root 3 whole square. So a square a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab and plus b square. So a square 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 2ab minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. And plus b square, plus b means 3 root 3 square, that means plus 3. So 12 cancel, so answer is 3. Proved. Show that root 5 by 10 by root 5 can be rewritten as 2 root 5. So again rationalize root 5. So multiply by root 5 and divide by root 5. So here 10 root 5 by 5. 5 times 2, 10. So 2 root 5. It's proved. Show that root 12 by root 3 plus 2. So root 12 can write 4 into 3 and this one root 5. So that means 2 root 3 by root 5. Now multiply root 5 and divide by root 5. So here we'll get 2. 5 into 3, 15. So root 15 by 5. Next question, 6 plus 2 root 12 whole square equal 12 into 2 plus 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so a square when 6 plus 2ab 2 into a into b 2 root 12 plus b square 2 into 2 4 into 12 48. Okay, so 36 plus 6 into 2 12 12 into 2 24, and root 12 can write the 4 into 3, so 2 root 3 plus 48. So 36 plus 4 times 2 8, 2 times 2 4 48, and root 3 plus 48. So 48 plus 36 is 8, and plus 6 14, so 4 plus 3 9 and 10. Uh, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 9, no, 7 plus 8 84. 84 plus 48 root 3. Okay, 7 common, or not, 12 common. 12 times 7 84. 12 times 4 48, so 4 root 3. So it is proved. Next question. Question root 20 plus root 80 by root 3 can be expressed in the form root a, where a is an integer. Okay. So now root 20. Root 20 can write 4 into 5 plus root 80 can write 16 into 5 divided by root 3. So here 2 root 5 and plus 4 root 5 by root 3. So 4 plus 2 6 root 5 by root 3. Now again multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. So 6 into 5 into 3 15, and by 3. 3 times 2 6. So the answer is 2 root 15. Question 17. Question 17, root 45 plus root 20 equal to 5 root 5. So question 45 is split 45 9 times 5. 9 multiply 5 plus 4 into 5. So 3 root 5 and 2 root 5. So 3 plus 2 5. root 5 is proved. Question 18, show 5 by root 2 can be written as 5 root 2 by 2. So 5 by root 2 multiply root 2 and divide by root 2. So 5 root 2 by 2. Question 19, 1 plus root 2 multiplied 3 minus root 2 equal 1 plus 2 root 2. 1 into 3, 3 minus root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1, and 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1, so 1 2, so plus 2 root 2. Question 20, 14 by 2 plus root 3. So multiply 2 minus root 3 and divide by 2 minus root 3. So here you have 14, 2 minus root 3 by a square means 4 and minus b square is 3. So 14, 2 minus root 3. Or we can remove the bracket. 14 times 2, 28 minus 14 root 3. Question 21, root 1 by root 3, so multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3 is root 3 by 3. One by 3 plus root 3, so 3 minus root 3 root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So 3 minus root 2 by 339 and minus 2. 3 minus root 2 by 7. Question 23, 1 by 2 plus root 5. So multiply 2 minus root 5 and divide 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5 by 2 times 2, 4 minus 5. So 2 minus root 5 by minus 1. So minus 2 and plus root 5. 1 by 1 minus root 3 whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus 2ab minus, not plus, minus 2ab and plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1 by 4 minus 2 root 3. Now again now rationalize. So 1 by 4 minus 2 root 3. So 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4 plus 2 root 3 is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 times 4 16 and minus 4 times 3 12. So 2 common, so here 2 plus root 3 and 16 minus 12 is 4. 2 times 2 4. So the answer is 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now question 25, root 5 plus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2. So multiply root 5 plus root 2 and divide by root 5 plus root 2. So 5 and 5, root 5 5 plus root 10 and plus again root 10 and root 2 plus 2 by 5 minus 2. So 5 plus 2 7 and root 10 2 root 10 by 3. So that is answer. Root 5 by root 80. So root 5 80 can write 16 times 5. So root 5 by 4 root 5. Root 5 cancel 1 by 4. Question 27. 4 by 3 minus root 5. So multiply 3 plus root 5 by 3 plus root 5. So here 4 3 plus root 5 by 339 minus 5. So 4 3 plus root 5 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. So 3 plus root 5. Question 28. 3 minus root 2 by 4 minus root 2. So 4 plus root 5. 4 plus root 5. So multiply 4 times 3 12. 12 plus 3 root 5 and minus 4 root 2 and 5 times 2 10. So minus root 10 divided by 4 4 16 and minus 5. So we got 12 root 5 root 2 are there, so we cannot do anything. 3 root 5 minus 4 root 2 minus root 10 by 11, this much. Question 29, 1 by 3 minus root 2 whole square. So 1 by a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 9 minus 3 times 2, 6 root 2 and plus b square plus 2. That means 1 by 9 to 11, 11 minus 6 root 2. Now again rationalize. 1 by 11 minus 6 root 2. So 11 plus 6 root 2 by 11 plus 6 root 2. So 11 plus 6 root 2 by 11 and 11 121 minus 6 6 36, 36 into 2 72, 72. So 11 plus 6 root 2 by 121 minus 72 is 49. So this is the answer, final answer. Now next question, question 30. 1 minus root 3, 1 by 5 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. So just let's multiply. 1 by 5 times 3, 15, minus 5 root 2 and 5 in then 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 and root 2 is minus 2. So 1 by 15 minus 2, 13, and minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 root 2. Now rationalize. 13 plus 2 root 2 by 13 plus 2 root 2. So here is 13 plus 2 root 2 by 13, 169, and 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, minus 8. So 13 plus 2 root 2 by 161. Question 31, 2 by 5 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. So first multiply. 5 times 2, 10, plus 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 and minus 3. So we got 2 by 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 2 3. So plus 3 root 3. Now rationalize 7 minus 3 root 3 by 7 minus 3 root 3. So 2 into 7 minus 3 root 3 by 7 49 and minus 9 into 3 27. So equal to 7 minus 3 root 3 by 47 9 minus 7 2 and 4 minus 2 2. So 2 times 11 22. So that answer is 7 minus 3 root 3 by 11. Simplify 6 minus root 5. 6 plus root 5 by root 31. So this is the a square minus b square form. So can write 6 36 minus 5 by root 31. So 35 minus 5 31 by root 31. Now rationalize root 31 by root 31. So is 31 by root 31 by 31. So 31 cancel. The answer is root 31. Question 33. Show that root 5 multiply root 8 plus root 18 can be written in the form a root 10. Okay, so 5 times 8 40, so root 40 plus 18 times 5 90. So now in the form of root 10 we have to write. So can write 4 times 10. Hmm, 4 times 10 plus 9 times 10. So 2 root 10 plus 3 root 10. So 3 plus 2 is 5 root 10. Is proved. Question 34. 4 minus root 3, 4 plus root 3 by root 13. Simplify to root 13. So again this is a square minus a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So this one can write 16 minus 3 by root 13. 16 minus 3 is 13 by root 13. Now rationalize, multiply by root 13 and divide by root 13. So we got 13 root 13 by 13. 13 cancel. So answer is root 13. Root 3 plus root 12 can be rewritten as 3 root 3. So root 3, right, root 3 and plus 4 times 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3. So 2 plus 1, 3 root 3. Question 36. 3, 2 minus root y in the form of a plus b root y by c minus y, where a, b, c are integers. Okay, so 3, 2 minus root y, nationalize 2 plus root y, y2 plus root y. So 3, 2 plus root y by 4 minus y. So in this form, so we need to multiply, remove the bracket, 3 times 2, 6 plus 3 root y by 4 minus y. So A is 6 and B is 3 and C is 4. Root 8 by root 8 minus 2 can be written in the form n plus root n. So root 8 by root 8 minus 2, so multiply root 8 plus 2 by root 8 plus 2. So root 8 and root 8 is 8 and plus 2 root 8 by 8 minus 4. So 8 plus 2 root 8 by 4. So 2 is common. So 4 plus root 8 by 4, 2 times 2, 4. So 2, no, we need to take this one. 1 minute. Here, this one can write 8 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 2 by 4. So now 4 is common, so here 2 plus root 2 by 4. So 4 cancelled. So answer is 2 plus root 2. Next question, 5 root 3 minus root 12 whole square. 5, 5, 25, 25 times 3, 75, minus 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 12 into 3, 36, so write 36, and minus b square means 12, so write 12. So 75 minus 10 into 6, 6, 36, so 6 minus 12, 75 minus 10 times 6, 60, minus 12. So 60 plus 72, 75 minus 72 is 3 answer. A equal root 8 plus 2, B equal A root 8 minus 2, T equal A square minus B square. Show that T equal to C root 2. So A square means 8 root 8 plus 2 whole square minus B square means root 8 minus 2 whole square. 8 plus 4 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 8 root 8, no, 4 root 8. 4 root 8 plus 2 into 2, 4, minus 8, and minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 8, and plus 4. So 8 plus 4 root 8 plus 4 minus 8 minus this one will be plus 4 root 8, and this one will be minus 4. So 4 plus 4 minus cancel. 8 is plus and 8 is minus cancel. So we have 4 root 8 plus 4 root 8. 4 and 4, 8 root 8. And 8 root 8 can write 4 times 2. So that means 8 into 2 root 2. So that means 16. 16th root 2, that is the answer. Question 46 minus root 8 by root 2 minus 1. So now 6 minus root 8. So multiply 6 minus root 8 by root 2 minus 1, multiply root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So we got 6 root 2 plus 6 minus 8 times 2, 16, and minus a root 8 by 2 minus 1. So 6 root 2 plus 6 minus 4 and minus 2 root 2. So 6 plus 6 minus 4 equal to 4 root 2, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So A plus B form. So write 2 plus 4 root 2. That is answer. Question 41. Express 8 by root 5 minus 1 in the form root A plus B. So 8 by root 5 minus 1. Multiply root 5 plus 1 and divide by root 5 plus 1. So 8 into root 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1. So 8 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. 4 times 2, 8. So equal to 2 into 5 plus 1. So it is written root A plus B. So that means 4 into 5, 20. So this one root 20 and plus 2 root first. So right here, this is the final answer. 4 plus 2 root 5 by root 5 minus 1 can be simplified 3 root 5 plus 7 by 2. So 4 plus root 5 by root 5 minus 1, multiply root 5 plus 1 and divide root 5 plus 1. So 4 root 5 multiply 4 times 1, 4, and 2 into root 5, 2 root 5 into root 5 is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 and plus 2 root 5 by 5 minus 1. So here 4 root 5 plus plus 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 root 5 plus 14 by 4. So here and here take 2 common. 3 root 5 plus 7 by 4. 2 times 2, 4. So that 3 root 5 plus 7 by 2. It's proved. That's all. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.